Would you like to know what's the secret behind any successful or multimillionaire in the world? If you could ask them one question, how did they become as successful as they are? Here's what they would say to you. They would say, because we know more, because we know better. How's that? Well, usually people who become millionaire didn't finish school. So how do they know more than you if they didn't went to college? Well, you see, traditional education is limited. You finish college and you believe that that's it, that your level of education is done there. And that's the problem with those people, with most people, because they finish school or they don't even finish school and they stop learning, and that's why their incomes stop growing, because the world does not stop, because there are new generations coming out who are more brand new, who know more than you, and if you do not get in the game and know as good as they know, you will get lost. So you need to understand this. Self-education is the only thing that is going to make you a millionaire. By self-education, I mean read books, read blogs, read magazines, hear podcasts, get interested, learn. You need to learn about a lot of subjects. You can learn a few things about different subjects and specialize on one main thing, but that is going to set you apart, while everyone else in the market is focusing on one spot. If you are learning, you are opening your level of possibilities, and you are seeing things that most people cannot see, because those things does not exist in their mind. So there's a rule called the 5-hour rule, and this is about investing 1 hour of your time learning one different subject per day. So at the end of the week, you will have learned a lot, and usually start to learn things about your business, about your market, about what they want, and usually start your business around things that you are interested in. So the more things that you try, the more you will know what things interest you and what things do not. And you can open up your network, your level of possibilities, and your business. So I invite you in this video to start learning, to take advantage of self-education, which is free and it's available for anyone today. For example, I love to read. I'm more of a reading person. I love to read about mindset, about spirituality, about business, about personal growth, and business management. And those are the 5 things I talk most about in my business. So I do a mix of my personal experience plus new knowledge equals new offers that I give to my clients. And what is amazing about self-education is you can read in just 1 hour 10 years of experience of someone else. So you are taking a step ahead. You are avoiding the pain, the suffering, and all of the obstacles that that person had to live after he made the conclusion of that knowledge. So you are skipping that painful step on just learning the basics and the most important thing about that subject. Otherwise, you can go ahead and live out there in the world the pain and the suffering and the frustration of not being able to answer your questions and your problems, and not being able to understand why your income is so limited, why your time is worth so little, why you are frustrated, and why you do not enjoy life. So it's up to you, but the choice is pretty obvious. So for example, if we take the case of Oprah, you all know Oprah and her show. She had a pretty dark background, and she overcame all of that. And now she's one of the most influential people in the world. And that is because of the level of impact that she has. And she can have that level of impact because of what she knows. But that is a choice that she made, because she wasn't born with knowledge, with privileges, or in a nice position. She was born in terrible background and she chose the other way. And I can go and tell you about a lot of people who have gone through terrible and really painful experiences, and some people that do not. But people who succeed are not people who have a degree, are people who want to learn more, who want to know more. And the second step after you know more is how to apply what you know. Because remember, knowledge is more information and knowing more about a subject. But experience and what matters is how much of what you know can you apply to your business. Okay, so it's applied knowledge what matters. Most people say that they have 10, 15, or 20 years of experience in a business, and then they wonder why they do not grow. Well, they don't have 10 years of experience. They have a few, yes, but they have a lot of years of doing things wrongly. They have a lot of years of wasted time, of procrastination, of frustration, and of staying in the same line. That is not experience. That is staying where you are and not growing. So people confuse always what experience is. So reflect about yourself, understand what you are doing wrong. How can you overcome your obstacles? What subjects are you passionate about? How can you apply the 5-hour rule to your life? If you cannot do it weekly, do it monthly. But start doing. Grab a book, get passionate about reading, read articles, hear a podcast. Whatever fits your lifestyle is great. Not everything applies to everyone. Make sure that you take what works for you. Grab all of that knowledge that you are acquiring and try to apply it for your own good, for your own business, and for your own life.